Hello, beautiful people. We're from DJ Paco Rich. Now, and I pay two students have been expelled from Breman asikuma Secondary School, and I'm sure that you've seen this video. Yeah, it's quite sad the day I will fall bopo wamba cow weeping when I go school, but I mean. The menyanda not started, but what kids of today, or they was showing the social media, yazibia, or a very powerful tool. It can make you and it can make you. And so sometimes you should be careful with the things you push out there on social media. Not also to say that I'm backing the fact that it is okay for students to be in school. Now when you're loppy, another woman another won't have a intimacy on camera. It is totally wrong. But I feel that parents should start talking to their children about the impact of social media. The good, the bad, the terrible, the worst things that do happen. As at now, a kawa wofabo won now. And information I mean in our first time, it looks like they've done a couple of things or were very bad records with school. And so and they pay you for what's in the phone in a child the way you want for school, so that they will not become bad influence to other students there, because a bad not one auto as a bima or best saying in our. So personally, I think I'm with Breman asikuma Secondary School on this. Why is it? Because the image of the school is also at stake. Other prominent people attended Breman asikuma Secondary School, and I'm sure they wouldn't be happy to see their school's name being dragged in the mud. This is a not. And I'm happy that they've been expelled from the school. At least, if they are remorseful and they can get another school, that's fine. But for this, I think I side with the school. I don't know your views, but you can also share right here with me or from DJ Paco Rich.